Hello everyone, I'm Dipti Chakma from Nirvan Residential School and welcome to class 11 History, Chapter 2, Writing and City Life. So let's learn together about writing and city life of Mesopotamia. The mostly a chapter both ami Mesopotamian civilization ami bare sigibonge prosperity, city life, literature, maths, astronomy. So Mesopotamia, that is a land between two rivers, river Euphrates and river Tigris. So it is derived from two Greek words, mesos, which means middle, potamos, which means rivers. So Mesopotamia, it is a present-day Iraq. So, in the northern part of Mesopotamia, there is one kingdom, Assyria or Assyrian kingdom, which came to emerge around 1100 BCE. Then, in the southern part, we have Sumer or Sumerian kingdom. After that, Akkadian kingdom, which came to emerge in the year 2400 BCE. Then Aramaic in the year 1400 BCE. Sumer, Akkad, they are the southern part of Mesopotamia. So in the southern part, one important city emerged, that is Babylonia, around 2000 BCE. So let's see this. Let's learn more about Mesopotamian civilization. Let's learn its sources. So archaeology started in Mesopotamia around 1840s. We can see, though Amido Horways, Mesopotamia Hudu, Hononoze, Hangori Horway, through their written records. So let's see the sources of Mesopotamia. Number one, written documents, elo, ornaments, tools, buildings, graves, seals, statues. Ini back kani mane se lokene a civilization lokene elode. Mesopotamia is important to European. Hitte sima riko Old Testament Bible lo dagede. The tik mane exactly se nangesure ekan kingdom age southern part tot summer important kingdom. The European or other travelers tara hi mone goronde ei jagagan mane already mane tara forefathers jokke lak sokke tundurine age land with buildings made of bricks. So that's why it is very important to the European. So next, let's see its geography. So see here, I have marked with capital letter northern, north, south, east and west. So northern part there is a region called steppe. The steppe region nole green grass mane ALL mane grass area ibi. The mostly agriculture suitable noy. More suitable ole hatte herding of animals. Posu pokki palana ei jagakan mane very suitable. Hitte ALL hair grass age David. Then next, northeast or eastern part to sele ami degidihi Tigris river anage. The sea area bu it was covered by 3 cover mountains. Monmuro agon, Gaj Bajagon, aro hi age clear streams tributaries ba pon pon mane sigon sigon sora age te ibet enough rainfall hoy te monoragiu agriculture northern part tot hechede between 7000 to 6000 BCE te very important even eka monoragiu first agriculture mane develop hoide northern part tot around 7000 to 6000 BCE the eastern part tot ami digidihi tributaries branches of the river Tigris senira sora sotunar bagoise the senira hi oidi tributaries the seni mostly hudu hamot laganne Mesopotamian people ne communication routes then lastly come to the southern part the southern part too that is a desert area the desert area hole the tumi horbo no rain no water dry land that's what hangori agriculture hobo the hangori aro bile first cities aro first writings develop hoi e jagano that is due to these two rivers river Tigris and river Euphrates see then river mane nala diye jay te e desert ta noindi nala di jay te whatever mane goda mane minerals silt se madini goda baziane te hudu thu boidi e area bud desert area bud southern part tot te se southern part tot agriculture hoy hengori hoy irrigation goronde e then river sanotun e tik sengori ne mane e jagagan mane agriculture otte gom te plus very important monoragiu pas aro cities and past writings mane even develop hoide so we'll continue in the next videos.